Hey guys, 22nd day of February 2025. We're over a little earth pedestrian bridge over here up at Cedar. Before I go to the train place will be the next video. So it's kind of a cool area. This is a Native American area, goes up to Franklin. So a lot of cool graffiti here. Like it's kind of like the Prince place I was at. You can tell it's almost a big Native American place here. So let's go over here. I'm gonna walk up here. Hey guys. So let's walk up here.
What are you doing?
Oh, videoing.
Oh, okay. Are you vlogging or something?
Guys having a good time? Don't go get hurt.
Okay. Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm just videotaping. Yes. You're not on it. Don't worry about
Why
it.
do you videotape it?
I'm just documenting this place. It's kind of cool. So it's kind of cool. It's very interesting. So, big Native American area here. You can tell. Goes over to the park. Little Earth. So a lot of, like I said, this from here on up to Franklin, there's a lot of Native American stuff. So there's a big homeless encampment as you get towards the Socialist train. So nice church over there. It's not too bad. I've seen worse. When my mom's car got stolen many years ago. They found it over here, parked over here. I think over there or something. So they found it. They stole it. She lived in St. Louis Park. It was back one piece. It was just a pumpkin ball in the back. But you can tell it's a nice park over there. Cedar Field Park. It's a nice little park. But it's interesting, all the graffiti on there. Very interesting. There are a lot of Native American casinos in this state, and we could probably donate a lot of money to this place, but it looks nice. So we go to that train place. Hopefully, it should supposed to be open today. Saturdays and Sundays, 1 to 4, only in the wintertime. You know, I've been looking at pedestrian bridges. You vlogging. That's funny. Yeah, I am. World-class vlogger. You can tell it's a nice little park. Swings and a whole 9 yards. It's some nice paintings and stuff. You see my travels, some of the stuff's really bad, but it's nice. It's kind of a cool thing right over there. It's a nice pedestrian bridge. You get some back and forth to the homes, and kids can go to the park. Kind of cool. Let's go over here. kind of see over here, this stuff is kind of cool. United Tribes. Very nice. That's a nice paint. That's nice. That's what's well done. Very, very nice. Very cool. That's nice. So yeah, another pedestrian, but there's a few other ones I've seen, but they're kind of hard to get to, but I got time to get to them, so. But yeah, it's United Tribes. It's a nice day out here in February. It was supposed to be getting the 40s here in a couple days, so it's actually pretty nice compared to what it was last week with temp below zero, so. I think they keep this place up pretty well. Try to keep the alcohol and drugs out of here. So. Someone's at their time on doing those. Nice. That's unfortunate. I think pedestrian bridges are good to get people across streets from one end to the next without getting run over. So I think it's a good thing. So it's kind of a fun little thing I've been doing. So we got sports show coming up. I have the motorcycle show coming up here in March too as well. So, but I do want to hope that train place is open up. That's a nice park over there. Little ball field over there. Play wiffle ball. Nice day for vlogging outside in the wintertime. You can enjoy the snow without getting cold hands. So, nice. You can't really throw big things up and hurt a car or something. So, I think they shovel it and snow blow it. I like those teepees, they're kind of cool. And the pipeline. Yeah, they had that pipeline going through the Native American, but when you don't have enough money to get that done, so. It's well constructed. I'm curious how old it is, but concrete looks good on it. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I like that. It's a nice painting right there. Anyways, so yeah, it's interesting area over here. It used to be run down, but they've done a real good job of keeping it cleaned up over here. I don't think they allow any kind of behavior going on here, so. Another excuse for some content, right? Another pedestrian bridge, but this is Cedar Avenue in Little Earth. So, a payphone over there? That's hilarious. So. But can tell that. Really, that's kind of a cool thing right over there. Painting over there. Then you have that thing over there, so. But, yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. And, anyways, guys, we're going to head over to the railroad place. And, see you in the next one. Thanks for the view.